How to make a woman feel safe without being overbearing. In an age where strength is often confused with silence and presence with pressure, many men are still asking, how do I make a woman feel safe? Emotionally and physically, without overstepping or trying too hard. The truth is, it's not about being macho or overly charming. It's about paying close attention to her emotional signals and showing up in ways that make her feel both seen and protected. This article breaks down key principles and specific scripts you can use to build real emotional trust without being overbearing or performative. It's not just about impressing her, it's about anchoring her. Listen up, her words are the compass. Before you try to fix anything, listen. Really listen. Emotional safety begins with being heard. Most women don't need you to solve every problem. They just want to feel understood. One of the best things you can ask is, do you need to vent and blow off some steam, or should I put my Mr. Fix-It hat on? That one sentence gives her the power to guide the interaction and shows emotional intelligence on your part. If she wants a solution, she'll tell you. If not, zip it and just be her anchor. Master of keys, presence as protection. If she's a coworker or a friend and you know she's nervous about walking alone in a dark or sketchy area, show up. Don't make it weird or heroic. Keep it casual but reassuring. Try this. I was just thinking of taking a walk to the garage. Want some company? What you're really saying is, I've got you. And sometimes, just having someone nearby can make all the difference. Plan the route. Safety starts before the drive. First drive together. If she doesn't know you well, eliminate surprises. Let her know the route in advance. It's a subtle gesture that builds anticipatory trust. You might send a message like, hey, just a heads up, we'll take the direct route via X Street, then hop on the main road, should be smooth. It might sound minor, but for a woman who's on edge about riding with someone new, it's a major trust deposit. And yes, a van with no windows that smells like sea base is a horror story. Don't be that guy. Sidewalk chivalry, the old code still works. There's a timeless gesture that still touches women on a primal level. Walking on the outside of the sidewalk, the side closest to traffic. It's symbolic. It says, I'll take the hit for you if life throws something your way. You don't need to explain it like a knight from 1812. Just move with calm, confidence and say, let me walk on this side. Then flash a playful look that says, see, I got you. She'll notice. Secure compliments, beyond skin-deep praise. If you only tell her she's hot, beautiful, or sexy, you're just echoing what every other guy already told her. Real emotional safety comes when she knows you see her deeper layers. Here's an upgrade. Your creativity blows me away. You're not just beautiful, you're an artist. It's specific, sincere, and speaks to her soul, not just her looks. And guess what? Even less conventionally beautiful women crave this type of recognition. Learn basic self-defense, yes, seriously. Protection isn't just symbolic. It's practical. Take a self-defense class with her. Not only does it create shared experience and bonding, but it empowers both of you. You might even joke. Some of these wrestling moves might come in handy in the bedroom. Delivered with a wink and a smile, it keeps things light but connected. If you're single, take a class solo. When you meet someone special, you'll have something valuable to pass on. I learned this so you'd know how to protect yourself, even when I'm not around. That's leadership. That's presence. That's the kind of dominance women actually crave. Subtle hand placement, the art of physical assurance. When walking together, let your hand gently graze the lower part of her back. This is a deeply grounding gesture. Done correctly, it says, "I've got you. You're safe here." But don't rush this. If you haven't been intimate yet, don't go for a full-on slide from her upper back to her waist. She may freeze up wondering where your hand is heading. Instead, start subtle, maybe as you guide her through a crowd. If intimacy is already on the table, then feel free to be more direct and tease with a wink that says, "You're mine. I protect what's mine." Final thought: protection isn't loud. It's felt. Women aren't looking for superheroes. They're looking for emotional guardians, men who intuitively know how to make them feel grounded, safe, and respected. It's not about flexing your muscles or over-explaining your good intentions. It's about the little things, the tone of your voice, the attention to her cues, the awareness of her surroundings, and the intentional way you move through shared space. Master those, and you won't just attract women. You'll earn their trust. And that is the real currency of lasting connection.